Hello and welcome. In today's video, we are continuing our series on copy document functionality within Business Central. If you haven't watched our previous video on how to copy a posted sales invoice into a sales order or a sales invoice, you might want to check that one out up here. If not, today we are going to cover a similar topic, but that is slightly different. We are going to talk about how to copy a posted sales invoice into a sales credit memo or sales return order. Now, a scenario that you might have found yourself in like a couple of times is a customer calls you and tells you, hey, sorry, like the last invoice, like there were a couple of issues, or for whatever reason, we've decided we want to return these items. We would like a credit for that. So now, obviously, again, like the classic way of doing that would be to manually create a new sales credit memo or manually create a sales return order, add all the items that were on the previous invoice, and then obviously post that and move forward. But a quicker way is to use the copy document functionality that exists within Business Central. And today we're going to look exactly at that. So let's jump right in. So here we're on the home page in Business Central. We're going to go for this example and use the sales credit memo. We're going to open our page. We're going to create a new document. We're going to, of course, select our loyal customer that has called us. And now we go in the menu called Prepare, and you will notice that right under that we have the Copy Document action. Now, if we click on this, we'll be presented with this pop-up windows that ask us to select from this list of document types. In this case, we're going to select the posted invoice because we are copying from a previous invoice that we have made to the customer. But as you notice here, there's many other choices, and we'll be making quite a few other videos on this topic. So if you're interested, stay around, and I'm sure there will come more content in the following weeks. So once we've selected here the document type that we want, all we have to do is click on the three dots. This is remembering the last settings that we used. We can filter this list to make sure it's showing only the posted sales invoices from this customer. We can order by date. And let's say that, for example, for the purpose of this example, that the invoice that they would like to have credit for is not the last one, but the one previous to last one. So this one right here, number 103216. So we're going to select that, click OK. And then again, like in the case of the posted sales invoice to the sales order, we are asked if we want to include the header and if we want to recalculate the lines. In this case, obviously, it makes no sense to recalculate the lines. It's a very good thing not to do that. So we're going to actually uncheck both of these, and we want to manually insert all the information in the header. So we're going to uncheck these, but it is possible to do that should we want to. Now, once we click OK, you will notice that we are imported all the information that was present on that posted sales invoice is being imported here, including, in this case, you'll notice like there's a line that has zero quantity, meaning that in that specific case, we only had invoiced 4 of these chairs. It also is telling us here as a comment line what document we have imported this information from. So from here, obviously, it's possible to make changes should we want to, but it's also just possible to continue in the flow, the regular flow on the document without having to manually go and fetch all that information. Obviously, the bigger the document is, the bigger the save in time it is, instead of having to go through manually, also allowing potentially for error to pop up here and there if the list is very long. So there you have it. That's another little trick on how it's possible to use the copy document functionality, in this case from the posted sales invoice over to the sales credit memo. Now, the same would apply also to the sales return order should you choose to use that document instead. Hope you enjoyed. Let us know down below if there are some of the other document flows that you would like to see. We'll try and cover some of them in the next few videos. And thank you for watching, and have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching this video from NAV SEAL. Check out more right here. NAV SEAL offer assistance and counsel on any existing solution, so if you're in need of assistance, don't hesitate to contact us on navseal.com or LinkedIn. Consider leaving a like and subscribe for more tips, news, and guides to anything Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central.